In today's video, we will look at converting between mixed numbers and improper fractions, as well as understanding what both of those things are. If you wish to have a go at any of the questions, grab yourselves a pen and something to write on. Pause the video if you need a little bit longer to read through the task board, otherwise we're going to jump right in, so hit play when you're ready. Mixed numbers and improper fractions are two ways to represent numbers containing fractions. On the left-hand side, we've got the mixed number, which is called a mixed number because it has a whole number or integer part, as well as a fraction part. So just here, we've got the whole number 2, so that's 2 whole ones, and 2/5. Whereas an improper fraction is all a fraction. We've got a numerator on the top and a denominator on the bottom, and it's improper because the number on the top is larger than the number on the bottom. When the number on the top is smaller, we'd call that a proper fraction. We often see mixed numbers and improper fractions used in questions where we convert between them, because we can write an equivalent improper fraction for every mixed number and vice versa. The best way to understand this is to break it down into a unit fraction part. So on the side of the mixed number, this 2 is the same as having 2 whole ones and your 2/5 part. So 2 whole ones plus 2/5 is 2 and 2/5. That's where it comes from. And I've done this diagram at the bottom to hopefully illustrate what that means. If I'm working in fifths, which I am, each whole one is worth 5/5, which you can see here. So this block of 5/5 is a whole one. This block of 5/5 is a whole one. And then you've got that little 2/5 at the end. And what we can see here is 2 and 2/5 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12/5 as an improper fraction. So these two things are equivalent. We can see 12/5 written out all in blue 1/5 on the right hand side. So our job today is to know how to convert these two things, which we can now see are equivalent to each other, between one form and the other. So we're going to begin with convert 22/3 into a mixed number. And first we're going to ask ourselves how many 3's can we fit into 22, and that's whole 3's. So I can go 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, that's 7. I can't fit another one in because that would be 24. So I've got 7 whole ones. And if I'm at 21 and I need 22, that means I've got 1 left over. And so we write that as 1/3 left over. So I can make 7 whole ones and have 1/3 left over. 21/4. So 4's into 21. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. And now I'm stuck because I can't fit another one in, so that's 5 whole ones, and to get from 20 to 21, that's 1/4 left over. Here are 2 for you to have a go at. Pause the video and hit play when you're ready to see the solution. 5's into 18 go 3 times, that would be 15, and so then I've got 3 left over. And 7's into 36 would go 5 times, that would be 35, with 1 left over. And going the other way, if we want to know how many 6ths are in 3 and 1/6, well, each whole one is 6/6, and we need 3 whole ones. So 3 6's are 18, plus this extra 1/6 is 19/6. And some people like to look at this as you multiply these two together and then add on the 1 to get 19, and it stays the same denominator, so it stays over 6. 7 and 4/5, well, each whole one will be 5/5, and if I want 7 of those, that would be 35/5, plus the 4 would be 39/5. And here are 2 for you to have a go at. Pause the video and hit play when you're ready to see the solution. For the first one, we've got 2 whole ones and then another 3/10. Well, 2 whole ones would be 20, plus the 3 would be 23/10. And 9 times 3 is 27, add 2 more is 29/5. thirds. We're going to have a go at some multiple choice questions now. I will pop a 10-second timer on the screen because it helps some people to keep on track, but if timers don't work for you, you can ignore it and just pause and play the video as you need. Convert 23/6 into a mixed number. Here are your options. And the answer to that one was B. Convert 4 1/9 into an improper fraction. That one was C. Convert 42/10 into a mixed number. That one you may have said A, and then you might have spotted that 2/10 can be simplified and changed your answer to B. Both of those are the correct value. B is the answer in its simplest form. Last one, convert 5 3/12 into an improper fraction. And the answer to that one was B. If you would like a little bit of independent practice, just to check you've got those skills secured, here are 8 questions. The first 4 convert the improper fractions to mixed numbers, and the latter 4 convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. Pause the video so you've got plenty of time to do those because I'm going to be popping the answers up straight away. And here are your answers for those questions. Do take care when you're checking those. If there's anything you're not sure about, then go back and re-watch some of the example pairs. And if there's a specific question you want our help with, feel free to pop it in the comments. We do aim to reply to every comment or question we get about the content of the video. And so all that's left to be said is a big well done for taking part in this video lesson today. Every little bit of revision and independent study will help you when it comes to sitting your GCSEs, so do keep it up. Remember to like the video and subscribe for more video lessons. We do post every week, and if you like short form content such as revision, quizzes and tips, then you can also find us over on TikTok and Instagram. Until next time, I'm Charlotte. Thanks for watching.